Hey everybody, Jeff from Smoking T-Jets. Once again, I am so glad you found this video. This is one of the project videos to where we take a Batmobile, and I'm not kidding guys, this is just how it was shipped to me, and we're going to restore the chassis, and we're going to have some fun with it. When we're done, it's going to look like this over here. I know. You guys are the first to see it here. We're gonna restore the chassis. We're gonna make sure everything works. We're gonna clean up the Batmobile, and yeah, we're gonna couple it with an Airstream trailer just for fun. And it's gonna be a great project. I do everything at smokingtjets.com. And what I'll do is I will talk you step by step, how to get rid of this nasty chassis that doesn't work and refurbish it to where we can actually have a Batmobile. And again, guys, I'm going to show you how to take this Batmobile a step further, not just with the trailer, but there's going to be something really cool that we do with it. Guys, I'll see you on the website. When you get a sec, click the link below there. All right, guys, Jeff from Smoking T-Jets.